Time is changing constantly. Right from the Vedic time, a human being strives to struggle against perpetually changing world in order to achieve the divinity. A holistic child development is a part of this journey. There is a paradigm shift in the field of child development in recent years. In the era of techno-evolution, numerous challenges have emerged to abet the faculties of creativity and critical thinking. Our rishis and visionary leaders have shown the path to evolve the consciousness of human beings. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendrabhai Modi has often reflected over these challenges and mule over new pathways by institutionalizing innovative ideas into concert realities. Children's University is also one of his dream institutions.
दुनिया में एकमात्र यूनिवर्सिटी चिल्ड्रंस यूनिवर्सिटी, उसके माध्यम से प्री स्कूल एजुकेशन को साइंटिफिक तरीके से डेवलप करना, युगानुकूल बनाना, समयानुकूल बनाना, बदलते हुए युग के अनुसार बालकों को बचपन से ही वो इकोसिस्टम प्रोवाइड करना, उसके लिए भी अनेक नूतन प्रयास हुए.
In order to recall the sadhana of its creator, the university has initiated Shri Narendrabhai Modi inspirational lecture series Yajna. Yajna aims at achieving Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. For this Vishwa Kalyan, one has to give ahuti of whatever excellent one possesses. This unique lecture series will be an important ahuti on each foundational day of the university. This will play a vital role in the nurturing the childhood. Let us unite to realize the idea of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.